hit that. Then I believe it's just that simple. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, wait. Nope. Close. Hip. Skip. Gotta change that guy right there. And yes. Getting there. What's up, peeps? What's going on, guys? Getting it all set up. Right. Okay. Getting there. What's up? Back to what we were doing. So this is sick. If you're not subscribed to this, just go to Market Beats and set up an account, and you can subscribe to this, and you can get this emailed to you like daily. So I'll find plays in here. I find plays like on Benzing of pre-market movers. That's how we found FCEL. That was probably my best play this week. I'm up like 25% on that one, 24%. But this is interesting. So they always have lots of sell orders in here. They don't have a ton of buys most of the time, which is kind of interesting. Or at least not any current ones. Like these are old. Where my CCX players at? I posted this on social today. This is interesting. This is good. On the 6th, CCX got a 200,000 share order. Where's that at? On the 6th. Yeah, so on the 6th. Let's see if we can find this at $10.31. When did that order happen? Right there. See, that's the top of the fill. 31. So this guy saw this thing dropping and was like, "Yep, I'll take 200,000 of that." And this candle was red, but it got pushed up, turned green, closed up there. What a pull. What a pull. Haven't really heard of a lot of these though. Y'all got any plays? What you want to look at? What you drinking? Morphic, I've heard of them before. That's nothing though. Like what? Cool. About 9,000 shares, whatever. What? What is that shit? Get out of here. That's not insider information. I could buy that. Hmm. Pharmaceuticals. Pharma's always popping, man. I love FDA plays. They're the best because literally it doesn't even matter if the drug works, doesn't work. People think it might and they throw money at it all the way up until the point that they announce if it works or not, and then you just fucking jump out. Sell B. So why is this guy so fucking bullish on these people? Forked out a lot of money. What came out on them lately? What day was this that they went down? He bought... Oh. It's probably the president or some shit. When did he buy this? On the 8th. And on the 6th. Okay. Interesting. There you go. There's your buy on the 8th. How many did he get? 2 million shares at 168 fill. Yep. Looks about right. Holy shit, man. That's wild, guys. That's fucking wild. That's what big money looks like. Homie pulled a $3.5 million trigger and a $5.5 million trigger. What the fuck? Yo, are we about to play these guys? Why is this guy so bullish on these people? What do they do? Anyone? Bueller? FCEL. Oh, no, I don't want that. I want their chart though. What the fuck? Okay. Guys have been running up like crazy too. Yo. Who are these guys? Alright. Gotta add this to the peeps watch list. FCEL? What the fuck, man? That's crazy. What do they do? I mean, so they seem like they're in biotech. Paul. Dude, I love stuffing things, bro. Welcome. What are some of your positions, buddy? What are you looking at right now? We're looking at FCEL right now. Which at this point, I don't even know how we got there. We were looking at this. I got this, I suggest you subscribe to this. It's free. It's Market Beats, Insider Trading, or Insider Trades, and they give you just kind of like big buyer information, big seller information. Kind of helpful because you can be damn sure if someone is this sure about a stock that, well, shit, I mean, I'm not going to be investing $9 million in them, but I'll invest a couple thousand since you're so damn sure. So that candle right there is actually his candle, his very own candle. That's what 3 million shares looks like. Oof. Highland's your top position. What's your fill, brother? Where you at in here? Where you at in this mess? I don't know, it's spread across accounts at this point. I'm probably like 200 and something shares, which isn't bad. I started with like 130, traded in and out of this thing a number of times. Just kept gobbling up shares. Let's get the bulls out. Oh, dude. Bro. Sick. Nice. Nice. Most of the people I talk to, they're like, dude, my rate is 46 or 50, you know, whatever. And it's like, fuck, I feel you. My fill is like 51. But yeah, dude, 33, sick. Where did I get my 51 fill? I got my 51 fill for like, I don't even know, man, the 6th time I got into this company. Was in a meeting in the morning and missed this, and we've been downtrending since. So it's like, you know, a number of short-term plays turned into a medium long-term hold, but that's okay. I was fully aware of the risk. And I love this company. I mean, if it was anyone else, or not anyone else, but, you know, if it was some other companies, I wouldn't be as willing to just hold. But, I mean, dude, this company is going to be $200 a share easily in a year, as long as the market doesn't turn upside down again, which I don't think is likely either. No, I don't, but honestly, if you stick around, man, there's this guy, his name is like Rookie Driver or something like that. He's in the comments of a lot of the Hyliion videos, and he's a truck driver, so it's really cool hearing his input whenever we talk on videos, because he actually, you know, that's his trade, and he kind of is in the ear of other truck drivers and knows the vibe, so good insight there. You believe it doubled it? I wouldn't be surprised. I mean, were you talking about which one of their drivetrains? You talking about the conversion or the ERX? But yeah, dude, Hyliion, it's just a matter of time. The short sellers will lose. And I wish I could just be a fly on the wall to watch it blow up in their faces. Mm. Yeah, it's funny. I've t- I've talked to them a couple of times and posed as a fleet operator trying to like get numbers and information out of them, and I have it written down somewhere. I think their conversion price is 35 to 60 grand to take a, you know, one of your own diesels and then retrofit it, and then they wouldn't give me a number on the ERX because they said it was changing. But they said, you know, that it was going to be, you know, a competitive price and this, that, and the third. And I was like, all right, well, you know, let me know when you got a number. Oh, Jen. Oh, shit. Or Oege. We were thinking about playing this. Me and Tony were thinking about playing this. Tony, what's up, dude? You were here. You were here when we found FCEL. Did you get in on this? Made a couple $100 on this week, bro. It's a nice find we had that day. That morning where my car wouldn't start. Made some fucking lemonade. Wait to go to Skylion. That's a new one. Interesting. Yeah, I mean, they popped a little bit and they're trading sideways-ish now. they're back into the penny range. Fuck that. Never made or lost so much money in my entire life than when I used to play penny stocks a lot. It's fun. A lot of money can be made there, man, but I mean, you have to give it your undivided attention. Don't have a day job and trade pennies. It will blow up in your face. Oh, interesting. The CEO is buying more shares of his own shit. Yeah, it's because Salesforce is awesome, man. Oh, Tony, you got in on it? Nice, dude. I know it's FCEL. These mothers. Yep, these things have been doing good, and they actually had some news come out on today. What was it? Something this morning. Yeah, this right here. This was huge for us. Wins $8 million in funding from the Department of Energy. So that was just lucky. We literally, as far as I know, I haven't read back super far, but we were just looking at association plays in the renewable energy sector because that was the hot, that was glowing on the heat map for, the sector where a lot of money had shifted into. And so we tried to find stuff that was in the cheaper range that had been running up on the pre-market mover scan and on the scan in here, and we found this guy. And shit, we found him at a good time too, because he was trading down. We got him like in here. Yeah, that's the move, Tony, man. I wish I didn't have to be at work at 8 a.m. That kind of puts a damper on my early AM trades, but it's okay. I fucking love my job. My job. Neo, dude. Neo's awesome. Oh, popping up again. Man, I was in Neo like over here. Or wait, no, it's too low. Yeah, I sold them over in here somewhere. But I also traded them when they're in the low range. Like, fuck, dude. Sometimes I just wish I wasn't so impatient chasing fast money. If I would have just sat with all my shares here and let it ride up, I would have been sitting pretty. But you know what? I enjoy the chase. Did they have any news justifying that? What made them pop? I mean, I know like this whole sector has been going crazy, and both of the presidential candidates have been talking about openly how they support this and they're pushing for this. California said by what was it, 2025 they're going to be all EV, or 2030 or something like that. So it's pretty serious. So they gapped up on what day this? 9/29. Oh shit. Leave it to the fucking analysts, man. Can't trust them as far as you can throw them. But people listen to this kind of shit and they throw money at this kind of shit, and you could just piggyback on the fact that people blindly trust these kinds of guys. Like what ran today? Something got upgraded. What's up, Ryan? Something got upgraded today by JP Morgan and it popped. And I'm like, why are we listening to JP Morgan if they literally just got, like, what was it? It was like a $900 million lawsuit. Oh, there you go. Yeah, JP Morgan, they don't do sketchy shit ever. They're just, it's just a bank, dude. Banks are, they're good people. You can trust them. What was it? It was like 900 million. Oh, hey bot. Man, we get bot spam all the time. This, dude, this. To settle trading misconduct allegations. Yet we are moving on analysts' information from these people. What the actual fuck, man? That's why you just have to realize that, like, we are in a very sketchy world and there's a lot of manipulation, and you just have to be able to recognize it and guard yourself and play the swings, man. I don't want to be a bag holder right now, not until, we can get some stability everywhere. Not until this chills out. I gotta get the bands off, it's too messy. That's too messy too. Like, you look at this, there's a little bit of a power struggle, but we're chugging along. What the fucking swerve and a half is this, man? Yeah, be careful in there. You need new love. Yeah, man, we're talking about some new love. This thing has been pretty good lately. It's been heating up a lot though. Interesting. This thing has spiked up a lot in the past. That's its 180 day. Me and Tony have been playing this. You got SNMP. What is that? SNMP, is that the... Oh, it's not what I thought it was at all. You and your momentum plays, Tony. You like to play with fire. I like this guy. So did you just like hop on in here and just ride it up and drop it, or what did you end up doing? No, I mean, and I kind of stand behind that. There's lots of EV players in the market right now, but most of which that you're hearing about are just kind of starting to become a thing, or they're SPACs. They're not even really, fully in it yet. As far as I know, and correct me if I'm wrong, I mean, Tesla and NIO are the only all EV big, you know, is NIO global? Are they multinational, or is it just in China? Because I know they're not here yet. But Tesla is, so I. Oh, nice, Tony. You're a fucking madman. I love you, dude. Good shit. Oh, GPRO. What is that? GoPro, probably? Oh, no. GoPor. Oh, you played GoPor? Hopefully you didn't. GoPor. Alright, someone demonetized me. That was so corny. Hmm. So what, you just did a scan and you saw this guy running up? All the association plays, like, look, it's got the word energy in it and it's cheap. People are like, fuck it. What if it's the next BE or like whatever, something? I'm in. Yeah, I mean, ChargePort is definitely one of the more Robin Hoodie stocks, but I'm good on acquisitions right now, man. I think that this has potential, but I mean, if you like something like that, then just go for a company like Plug. Plug's been around for a long time, and not only that, but where is it? Somewhere on here. Doesn't help that this guy is talking about it. Oh, he says it's on the 18th? Interesting. Yeah, because look, there, 3 hours ago. He's talking about it again. You got
Remember we spoke to CEO Steve Angel in mid-August? He explained that hydrogen could be Linde's next great growth engine, but he's talking about 2030. If just 1% of the heavy long-haul trucking moves to hydrogen-powered vehicles, that would create a $20 billion annual market for hydrogen. Now, nearly all of what Linde produces right now is dirty hydrogen from fossil fuels. But if they use natural gas as a feedstock, you get a fuel that's still 50% cleaner than gasoline or diesel. But this is just one part of an extremely consistent business. The thing is, hydrogen would have to get very big before it can move the needle. As Linde's a $126 billion company, it's not going to happen overnight. He told us that. Though with governments around the world getting more aggressive about fighting climate change, I'm pretty confident it's going to happen eventually. What if you want a pure play, though? Well, we discovered one. You know, this one's moved a lot, but it's one I'm willing to give you my blessing, and that is Plug Power. If you haven't bought it already, if you had them on, and we were kind of shocked because they made an acquisition that made it seem like, wow, wait a second, this is no longer taking a flyer. This is a company that's been plugging away at fuel cells for more than 20 years. It's going up and down, but finally, after many false starts, they're on the right track. At the moment, Plug Power makes fuel cell technology for a more efficient type of forklift that can be charged more faster than older models. Longer term, the company wants the fuel cell system to replace old-fashioned lead.
Yeah, that acid sucks. But, you know, so people listen to this guy. So Plug's moving. But I do like Switchbank. I just right now with the recent sting of Hyliion, I'm kind of chilling on specs. But let's do some charting on this guy. You want to? Let's check this mother out. Let's get this out of here. Has anyone got any positions they're interested in other than Switchbank? Since everything Tony posts he doesn't even love, he's just trading it like a greedy genius. That's not a good point. It's too intense of an angle. So we got some wicking in here. It's hard to decide. Do you want to start at a wick? Do you want to start where the price action is being rejected, or do you want to start at where the order was closed? You know, this trading session ended at that rate. So is that your bottom, or is somewhere in the wick, you know, your bottom? And an MD, oh yeah. I don't know, dude. I can't talk about them. I've done like contract work for them in the past as an engineer, so I feel like that's like a conflict of interest or something that they could fucking get me in trouble for, so I'm not gonna fuck with that. But great company, love them. But we can definitely look at them. Could definitely look at those mothers. So let's see, where has been some trouble areas? Well, right here. So that's one of our peaks, but it also happens to be that fucking peak right there. Look at that. NFIN. No, what is that? I haven't even heard of that. I've heard of a lot of the specs too. All right, so this is good too, though. Yeah, like right there, maybe. Okay. So Monday, we're going to be looking for these guys to break to the upside of like 1535. If we do that, we're going to catch some resistance here, but I mean, this is a big trouble point for us. This is where the initial turnaround happened. Yeah, SPACs have gotten a really bad rap, man, and it's sad. You know why they've gotten a bad rap too? This kind of shit doesn't help right here. Look at this shit, bro. The Shaka SPAC. The SPAC SPAC. I can't even word that. The Shack SPAC. Anyway, so like it's a fucking joke now, man. Everyone wants to have a SPAC. Everyone wants to go public. Like it's a fucking gimmick. So yeah, it's unfortunate, but you know, we just have to play into the market shift and make money. So doesn't mean there isn't still some gems out there that are, you know, going public via SPAC. They're just getting a bad rap. You know, namely one being Hyliion. But I think, yeah, man, just kind of weird times. Lots of money shifting around, sector changes. Dude, Tony, is cool something? Cool? Oh, dude, I'm trading this. I want to be cool. They normally just call me a nerd. The best nerd there ever was. Uh-oh. Tony gave me a virus ticker. What is this? It's not even loading. Damn, what, Tony? Hmm. I didn't even remember. When did I draw that? What is that line? That line is nothing? I don't know. Where did that line come from? Oh, you're saying it's cool? You hit on GoPro? On the real GoPro? Wait, what? GoPro's trading this low? Yo. Damn, that's hilarious, dude. What was the one you said before that? How much you want to bet that this was just people fat fingering? You said you played this rocket ship the other day, Gulfport, and it went up. Please, someone tell me your thoughts on this. Let's do the little side by side action. This might be a stretch, but you know, it's early in the morning and you're tired and you hear that this is moving or you read that this is moving and now you're going all in on not GoPro but Kapoor. Or maybe it was meant to be GoPro. That's funny. Either way, this shit fucking rocketed up, man. Not as much as this, but oh, you're playing options on something that quick? Nice. My man. Paul, what is that? Tititrias. Teratitas. Tequila. Ryan wants to see GP. What is that? We got lots of GPs. Green power. Heard of them before. That's not particularly good, but oh, it was a long play. Green Power Motor Company. We're in this bitch right now, brother. Let's check it out. Let's see what we got on the news wire. When did this thing start to run up? Been trading in this like 12 to 13 range for a minute now. Maybe not that long. When did that? We broke into that last Friday range. Alright. What do we got? Hello. What on earth happened to them on the 23rd? I mean, I guess that was September, so shit was just fucked in September in general, but... Oh, the infin spec. Okay. I haven't looked into that one. Fucking Boxel. Who played that shit? I made some money on that, and then I also lost some money on Boxel. Let's see. I don't know. This is really the only spec that I like right now. I mean, we said Kathy Wood is an absolute genius, and this chart is sexy, dude. Hot. Look at that. Not giving a fuck. It crosses, and it's just like, yeah, just surges right. It's just got to catch back up. You know, normally it would make a run, and then they would consolidate a little bit, and then you'd adjust this line at a different angle. But it has been holding this for an entire month almost. That's pretty impressive. That's a very big sign of strength. I mean, it's unlikely that... Here, let's compare this to something that... So this is up 100% right now. So let's look at this dumpster fire. You played boxing mid-10K? Yeah, nice, dude. I made a couple thousand, and then I don't know. I think I tried to jump in on... What was it? Samsung or Panasonic or some company was having something that they were supposed to highlight them in, and it was supposed to pop, and so I was like, fuck it. I'll get a shit fill. It might pop, and I got a shit fill, and I got a shit pop, so it's okay. It's what happens when we take positions we aren't excited about. Get fucking clapped. So this thing... Did it surge, consolidated? How long was this run? Yeah, it wasn't even a month, dude. That's fucking wild, bro. Absolutely blinded by the light, dude. Like, up here, 200% already in a month, and I'm like, we can go higher, keep going. Trading in and out, in and out, in and out. Shit fill. Now we're down here. It's okay. Oh yeah, dude. I played Mara when this was happening right here. I made a couple grand on them, and then I lost a grand or two on these bastards right after. Coin's going crazy though, man. One of my buddies trades crypto. We post him on social every now and then. He'll send a text message to the group chat and be like, "Pray for me," and it'll be 50 Bitcoin and 1,000 Ethereum, like a $900,000 position he just took. I'm like, dude, you're a fucking lunatic. How do you sleep? Because you can't sleep with crypto, man. It just never stops. It just keeps rolling. Damn, you made 10K on Boxo, though, you dog? Nice. It's a fucking pole and a half. Oh, yeah, we gotta look at this guy. Nymph. Got any news on this biz? See, this is why I love Thinkorswim, because this is pulling news wires from Benzinga, from Google, from Fox News, NBC, all that shit. You can't sleep with Hylion? Oh, man. Wait, didn't you say you had a good fill, though? Did you say you had like a 33 fill or something like that? Or is that Paul? One of y'all's got a nice fill. Hello. Yeah, she's not just some, city bike. Not everyone can get a ride on Hylion. You gotta wine and dine her. You gotta earn that love. Dude, Ryan for president. What a fucking lunatic. What a madman. So coverage. Oh, okay. Interesting. Hmm. I don't know that I've seen many acquisitions get a analyst rating like at all. Especially now, like after acquisitions are just getting kind of a bad rap. Bled them slowly, and now you got the bag, dude. Hell yeah. You're not even here for bag holder therapy. You're just here to talk about bags. And I respect that. Dude, don't question Ryan. Of course he did. What do they even do? Anyone? Enfin? You think VL? Yeah, I'm sure they fucking had an analyst. You know how we feel about those guys, though. You can't really trust them, but it's always nice to have coverage. Jesus, dude. What a fucking cluster. When did they have their... Because they didn't fall off immediately as soon as it happened, right? I remember like all the... Someone was telling me the PI, the pipe investors or whatever pulled out like immediately. Oh wait, when is this? Oh. Ah! Get the fuck off here. Oh my lord. Alright, here we go. Oh, you're a fucking lunatic. You put that kind of money on these? Dude, they have a face not even a mother could love. What are they doing right now? Are they doing stuff? They're fucking trying to. I don't know, man. I don't know. I hate penny stocks. I can't. Can't sleep. I could play them, but I can't hold them. It has to be like a that day, that hour, that minute kind of thing. Right, Tony? Tony, no. Weird. I can't even find it on here. Oh, wait. What did it change to? Was it graph changed to VLDR or whatever it was? Yeah, it's a shame that happened too, because this is I think this is the company I'm thinking of. I remember hearing about them and thinking that, like, I know they do pharmaceuticals. I fucking read so many different FDA approvals and shit. I start mixing up pharma companies though. RoboSense, is that what they've been popping on lately? 10.8. They even pop on that? Oh, that was yesterday. Oh. Yeah, they sure as shit did. Hmm. Yeah, I made some money on Genius for you. What are they doing now? Oh my lord. I missed this one. I got this. Or maybe it was that one. I made like I don't know, like $1,000, a couple $100. I didn't get this much of that. These things always disappoint me because my intuition tells me, you know, put down as much as you're ready to lose, trying to manage my risk, and then lots of the times these little momentum plays work out, and I'm like, what the fuck? I should have just put my entire account into this thing. But I have to be like off work if I'm doing this kind of shit. I can't be getting called into my boss's office or going into a fucking meeting with a client or a customer or whatever the fuck. That's what happened with Opti. Did any of you guys play Opti or KNOS? I was up so much money on Opti, and I came out of a meeting and I was down like $3,000. I was like, all right, well, yep, we're not playing penny stocks anymore. Not if we can't give it our undivided attention. And I wasn't down. It wasn't like 3,000, realized losses, but I mean, it definitely fucking ate into my profits. Not good, man. They need to fix that. They need to be able to set stop losses in the pre-market. I can't go into my 8:30, 8 a.m. meeting and just be running blind for 30 minutes. It's not safe. Mm. This is when you know you're in the wrong fucking neighborhood. If your chart looks like this, run. Just gapping, because that's what it does. Oh, dude, I love these guys. This is like the only thing that didn't get just rocked from the SPAC attack. Why are these in here? These aren't SPACs, whatever. Anyways. How are these guys doing? He popped a little bit today. Down. Coming up a little bit again. Yeah, I know, dude. I learned the hard way. I mean, I learned most of my investing stuff from my buddy a while ago, and he kind of just taught me. What do you tell me? He says you can't trade margin until you've been trading for 5 years. Don't play penny stocks. He gave me his little handbook of like the do's and don'ts, and I did one of them, which was pennies. But I couldn't help myself, man. The gains, the grain. It was crazy, but yeah, I fucked up. I walked away. This bastard too, KNOS. I played this one. Oh God, look. Here, you want to know where I was playing them at? Right around there. But yeah, FMCI is unique in that, I mean, it's all these SPACs, all these mergers, for the most part, are EV or tech related, and this has nothing to do with it. Let's load the bulls. Let's get the bands. Oh, really? Their merger's next week? Have they had their shareholder meeting and like confirmed all that, or is it just a kind of speculated date? Oh, my phone died. I lost chat. Wait. Go there. Do the half and half things. No? Oh, Ryan. You vote for the merger this Thursday. Nice. Alright. Bet. Oh, yeah. I think they're an amazing long play. I mean, the health food, just that kind of. That sector is a. I mean, you can wax people. People are more than happy to pay for quality, myself included. I try to go to Trader Joe's or go to Publix when I can. I don't really like going to Walmart just because I feel like a piece of shit when I get frozen food from there. But for some reason, you go to a nicer grocery store and you get frozen food, somehow you don't feel like such a bastard. So, I don't know. I like them. I haven't had any of their food yet. I'd really like to have one of their frozen tings. Water. All right. Hell yeah, well, we are coming to the end of our stream, guys. Ironically, Walmart does. Yeah, it's funny. Oh my god. I love them. This is my, like, anyone that wants to start trading, they're like, will you be my stockbroker? I'm like, no, but you can put your money into Walmart and it's better than a savings account. There's your finance tip. Stonks go up, dude. Walmart's goes up, dude. Yeah, so does Costco. All those things, man. I mean, shit. If you didn't need proof of resilience, or if you needed it, then here it is right here. I mean, the collapse of our economy, and it just doesn't give two fucks. Like, wildly outperforming the SP 500, mind you. So, yet, smart money tells you invest in their indexes and give them your money and all that shit, and literally a moron could say, well, Walmart, you know, if I'm going to put my money in there and dirt, and it goes, like, Stock twits. My videos end up there. The last time I posted a video there, I got banned. We're still working on getting our account unlocked there, but yes, I've heard of stock twits. BYND. I've heard of that one too. What is that? Oh yeah, Beyond Meat. Heard of it, would never touch it. Man, dude, why have they been going like crazy? Did they just get beat down super hard on in September from like the whole just pullback of what? That was bizarre. Well, I guess they had their IPO earlier in the year, right? Was that what it was? Or have they been around for a while? No. Yeah, no, they've been around for a while. What the fuck is... Oof. I mean, it's going pretty good right now, I guess, but... that chart is very confusing. I'll be working on a Discord this weekend for us so we can all talk and shit on that. We don't have to always, like, talk in the comments and run into each other on stream and stuff so we can keep up to date and trade DD. Alright, boys, I'm going to shut her on down. I got some stuff to do. Thanks for stopping by. This was fun. We'll do this again sometime. We'll do it